Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and first impression video of this Gigandet automatic sea ground. It's a diver with reference number G2022, and I bought it from Amazon, or I didn't bought it, I actually got it from this program, Try Before You Buy. And here we have the watch. Let me take this off. So maybe we can get a nice thumbnail. So if you do like this kind of video, be sure to hit the like button. I'm trying a new rig, so be sure also to leave in the comment section if you watched another video. If you like this rig, I got a circular LED rig that I could, let's say, record videos through it. So let's start with the customary specification. So basically it's a 43 millimeters, 15 millimeter thick, so 43 in diameter, 15 thick, 22 lug width. It has an NH35 movement, stainless steel case, 300 meters water resistant, as you can see, and it has a some kind of coating, I'm not sure, mineral glass, not sapphire. And let's see, hacking, and also hand winding. So it has hacking, hand winding. It costs on Amazon 140 euros. Comes with a sailcloth strap with a kind of leather under, so water resistant leather. And I actually do like this watch, I have to say. So I'm wearing this one just for a comparison. This is the About Vintage 1926, which has a Miyota movement inside. So I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. So just to give you an example how it would look on your wrist. And if I get near to the camera, you can see. Let me take the hands away. So the hands move quite well. You have a Cyclops on the 3 o'clock for the date, 1900. At 6 o'clock, 300 meters, automatic. Yeah, I'm just trying to get you all the views. Sorry for the smidges. And be sure also to tell me suggestions in the comment section, anything I can improve on, anything you want to see more, maybe some form of introduction about the company before each video. But let's see that in the comment section. Bezel action. The bezel is good. I think it's 60 click bezel. Everything lines up, or yeah, it does line up. Yeah, for 150 euros, you don't expect that much from automatic watch, but actually it's not so bad. It's not too bad, I have to say. The box is also okay. You get a metal box. You get inside catalog and how to set the watch and all the stuff, the guarantee. But like I said, this is a watch for starters. I think this is a good example of watches that you can get under 200 euros that are not bad at all, to be honest. So for me, this is a better diver than an Invicta, let's say, or maybe an homage diver from China. This would be also a better choice. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, or if you have comments, if you have more information on Gigandet or this model, the Sea Ground with the sailcloth, leave them in the comment section. If you own this watch, also please give me a let's say a couple of words about your wearing experience as well. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone.